In this video, I want to show you one of the best app to mirror your phone or project your phone screen on PC. So let's get started. To start, open your browser and open a new tab. We need to download an app called Letsview. So search for Letsview and click enter. Here you can see Letsview official website. Click to open the site, and when it opens, this is the interface of the site. You can scroll down and read about the site and the app. So when you scroll down, you can see a link here called try the app for free. Click on it and it will bring this interface. Scroll down and you will see download link. You can download for Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and even TV. So in my case, I want to download for Windows. I'll click on this download link. So the download has started. The download is complete. So I can click on this icon to open the download folder. And here is the application. So I want to cut it. Right click and cut. I want to paste it on my desktop. So I can just paste it on desktop. Right click and paste. Now it's time to install the app. So to install the app, just right click and run as administrator. It will open this interface. Now check this agree. Make sure you check it, and also you can choose your preferred language here and specify your install folder. After choosing your language, click on install. The installation is in progress and this will take a moment to install. So the installation is successful, and here you can see the shortcut. So click on open now. So once it's open, click on got it. The application is opening. Now you need to do something on your phone. Pick your phone and go to your Play Store. Search for Letsview and install it on your mobile phone. So the installation is ongoing. So after installing it on your mobile phone, click on open. Click on agree. Then it will bring this interface for you to do some setting. Click on setting. Here the floating windows. Click on setting and look for Letsview. Click on it. Make sure you check this allow display over other apps. Then go back and other settings that it brings, just set it as it pump up. So after do all this setting, then click on the scan icon. Click allow while using the app. Then it will open your camera. Place it on this QR code. However, there is a shortcoming here on this app. You need to connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Once you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will connect and project your phone on your Windows.